Hey, it's Bay, and today I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Minim playing cards by Joe Doucet. These are pretty cool plastic playing cards because they have a minimal design to them. They currently go for about $10 and they come in either black or white. The one I have here is in white, and I'll be sure to put a link in the description if you're interested. The decks do come sealed, and as you can see, the tuck case has a minimal design to match with the cards. It's a thick and durable tuck case, and it has a pretty good weight when you hold it in your hands with the cards inside. On the front and back, you have the back design, which is basically just a diagonal line. You have the AreaWare logo on the top, some information and the barcodes on the bottom, designed by Joe Doucet on the left, and Minim cards on the right. When you first take them out of the box, they feel just like any regular deck of plastic playing cards. In comparison to traditional paper playing cards, these are much more thicker but more durable. They're also pretty much the same size. You won't be able to do fans very well or any kind of flourishes, but these cards aren't designed to do that. Instead, you use these cards to play card games with your friends. Or if you don't have any friends, you can just play solitaire by yourself like me. In this deck, you get an add card and 2 jokers along with the 52 cards. The jokers just have 2 JK symbols on 2 of the corners. The rest of these cards follow the same sort of design with the card value and suit on 2 corners of the card. That's pretty much it. The face cards even follow this design, and they are just as simple. The cards perform very well. You can riffle shuffle with ease, but my only complaint is that these cards tend to stick to each other. That makes it pretty difficult to deal cards because they're plastic. However, I think that's a worthy trade-off in my opinion because these cards will last a very long time in return, and I can play almost anywhere with my friends. Or with myself. Anyways, you can even play with these cards in the pool because they're plastic, which means they're basically waterproof. These cards don't float, so keep that in mind. And if they ever get dirty, you can easily wash them off under the sink or with a hose. Overall, the Minim playing cards are a simplified version of a standard deck of playing cards, but they're just as functional. I really like the minimal design, and I would totally use these cards to play with my friends if I had any. If you're into minimal things, I highly recommend grabbing one of these Minim playing card decks. I'll put a link in the description to where you can purchase these cards if you're interested. That was my video review of the Minim playing cards. If you have enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!